KGB English Hub. Do you find it hard to understand native English speakers? Do they speak too fast and you miss the words? Don't worry. In this video, I will share simple and easy tricks to help you understand English better. The problem: fast English. Native speakers talk quickly, join words together, and use slang. It feels like a secret language. But don't worry, you can understand it. Tip 1. Listen for important words. You don't need to understand every word. Just catch the important ones. For example, someone says, "Let's grab a coffee before the meeting." Important words: coffee and meeting. Now you understand. They want coffee before a meeting. Tip 2. Break long sentences. Some sentences feel too long. Split them into smaller parts to understand better. For example, someone says, "I was going to call you, but I got busy with work." First part: I was going to call you, they wanted to call. Second part: I got busy with work, they could not call. When you divide sentences, English becomes easier. Tip 3. Use context. You can guess the meaning by looking at body language, tone, and place. For example, someone says it's freezing outside, and they are shivering. You know freezing means very cold. Or, in a restaurant, someone asks, "What can I get you?" You know they are talking about food or drinks. Tip 4. Remember previous conversations. If your friend talked about a trip yesterday and today says, "I finally booked it," you know they are talking about their trip. Tip 5. Learn common phrases. Some English phrases don't have direct meanings. For example, break a leg means good luck. I'm all ears means I am listening. Learning these phrases will help you understand English faster. Tip 6. Practice listening every day. Here's how to improve your English listening skills. Talk to people. Listen to different accents to train your ear. Tip 8. Keep learning. Never be afraid to ask, "What does that mean?" Every time you learn a new word, English becomes easier. You can do it. Now you have the best tips to understand native English speakers. Which tip will you try first? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bells so you never miss a lesson from KGB English Hub. See you in the next video.